Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. At my daughter's school, there are lots of different kinds of clubs and societies that students can join and take part in as part of their extracurricular activities. My daughter came home last week all excited because her and a good friend of hers have now founded the David Lynch Appreciation Society at her school. Maybe some of you will know David Lynch, the late film director, famous for things like Eraserhead, Blue Velvet, Mulholland Drive and so on. And what makes David Lynch really distinctive is that his films are completely off the wall. If you describe something or someone as off the wall, you mean they're surprising, unusual, bizarre, eccentric, but in an interesting and positive kind of way. So maybe if you spend time in the UK, you'll encounter comedians who are famous for their surreal, off-the-wall humour. You might meet people who you'd describe as a pretty off-the-wall kind of character, a bit of a one-off. Personally, I'm quite fond of music that's completely off the wall. Music that's odd and unusual in a good way, that doesn't sound like many other things. And sometimes in the field of science, someone will come up with a new theory, a new hypothesis that initially sounds completely off the wall, but the evidence backs up. Yeah? So, if you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use off the wall.